Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into the incredible benefits of one of the most popular and widely consumed fruits, apples. You know what they say, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, but have you ever wondered why? Well, get ready to be amazed because we're about to uncover the fantastic advantages that apples bring to our health and well-being. So, let's get started. 1. Nutritional powerhouse. Apples are packed with essential nutrients like fiber, vitamins, such as vitamin C and B complex vitamins, and minerals, including potassium and manganese. The fiber content in apples promotes digestive health, aids in weight management, and helps reduce the risk of heart disease. 2. Heart health. Apples are heart-friendly fruits, thanks to their high fiber and antioxidant content. The soluble fiber, specifically pectin, helps lower cholesterol levels and maintain a healthy heart. Antioxidants like flavonoids and polyphenols found in apples can contribute to reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. 3. Boosting immunity. Apples are rich in vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system and helps fight off illnesses. The antioxidants in apples also help protect our cells from oxidative stress and strengthen our body's defense against infections. 4. Weight management. Apples are low in calories and high in fiber, making them an excellent choice for weight management and healthy snacking. The fiber in apples promotes a feeling of fullness, reducing the likelihood of overeating and aiding in weight loss efforts. 5. Digestive health. The fiber content in apples supports a healthy digestive system by preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. Apples also contain natural compounds that can help balance gut bacteria and improve overall gut health. And there you have it, folks. The incredible benefits of apples. From their nutritional power to heart health, immunity boost, weight management, and digestive benefits, it's no wonder apples have earned their reputation as a superfruit. So, let's make sure to include apples in our daily diet and enjoy all the goodness they have to offer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.